Okay, so in Dublin Chamber, we're part of the Enterprise Europe network, and there's myself and my colleague. I work on really more sustainability, and my colleague Maria works in general EN advice. And we're working mainly with SMEs, but we're also working more frequently with organisations that are NGOs and then small businesses. Tudor, I think you said you're now a small business, but we work with a lot of people who have that kind of interest level as well. And it's the world's largest support network for innovative SMEs with international ambitions. So it's kind of just partnering with other people in other countries that can get your project across the line. So they constantly audit us with what we're doing and what we're doing. So they have these kind of stats running all the time of how many queries we've answered, how many people we've benefited from the services with between the years that it's been set up. It's been running for 15 years now as well. So there's 458 organisations in 39 countries, so it's beyond the EU 27 countries as well. The next slide will show you where it is. So it's the EU 27 countries there, you can see them. And then some international organisations, of course, we're partnered with the UK because it's a key partner for Ireland. And we work with Innovate UK, and they're doing a lot of projects involved in this kind of social sustainability area as well. So the reason this is what EEN Ireland is, we're anchored by Enterprise Ireland. We work with the local enterprise offices, Cork Chamber and Dublin Chamber. So there's 4 members within the consortium for Ireland. In other countries like Spain, there'd be a lot more in it as well. So this is kind of what our website looks like. There's advisory support, make international connections and develop your innovative ideas. So I know this isn't all social focus, but I want to explain where I come in this. We have a business contact database, which you can click on within this. And within that, we have a different search option. And this is just one of the things that came out of it. You can see that they have the European project calls here. And I know you have your own database as well, but this is where we can help you partner with people. So if you're interested in this, we can help you connect with the people in the countries as well. So I can facilitate that connection to be made. The reason why I kind of reached out to the wheel is because my colleague in Portugal, who works exclusively on social sustainability projects, she ran an event that was on the back of this other event, and the wheel were part of it. So I reached out to see if we could facilitate some matchmaking. We did get some Irish partners to participate in that. It's where on the back of the bigger event, they had a matchmaking facility, and we used this software called B2 Match, where you can have online meetings. You don't actually have to attend the event. You can do them off remotely. So it helps you make those connections it's more sustainable and there's less cost involved. So the target audience for this event was aimed to participation of EU level networks aligned with the call's objectives, ESFA, National Competence Centre for Social Innovation, non-profit entities, NGOs, public or private organisations, and she listed research centres, universities and social economy organisations. So we're trying to get more involved with these. Like in the Chamber, we have some charities in our membership, but we don't have we're trying to reach out and find more of these people that would be interested in making these partnerships and calls, because as Em has outlined then, there's a huge amount of funding out there and we're trying to connect more Irish organisations in it. The network approach is it's client-centric, there's tailored service and there's expertise. My expertise is sustainability. It's mainly the kind of environmental kind, but we're trying to move more into social sustainability, being that the E, the S and the G. And the network is focusing on these areas, and you can see sustainability and resilience are a part of it as well. And the business partnering is the biggest part of it, which I am trying to do. So sustainability, helping SMEs make their transition to be more sustainable business models. So we're trying to get them with CSRD reporting in legislation right now. The SMEs have to do voluntary CSRD reporting. So we're trying to get them to take up social sustainability actions as part of their business outlook. And as I said, partnering. This is what we're trying to do with this, and accessing finance for SMEs and for other organisations. So we have different sectoral groups within the EEN, and some of them are renewable energy, agri-food and tourism, and there's like different links there within it. And the thematic groups I'm involved with, as I said, sustainability and women entrepreneurship. So who makes up all these organisations? Frequently it's economic chambers like Dublin Chamber and Cork Chamber, but there's also, they always have to be anchored by government agencies. So that's why we have Enterprise Ireland leading out on this, and the local enterprise offices. And then there's universities and specialised private and public bodies also. So that's kind of EEN in a nutshell. We've got links to different kind of European organisations like Eureka. We do a lot of Erasmus Plus projects ourselves. We haven't done an Interreg one. We're looking at co-funding at the moment. So all that type of funding we tap into as well. And this is obviously an EU funded project. So that's who I am. That's what EEN is. And I'm here today to kind of raise awareness that we can try and help people partner up with different organisations within Europe. There's a huge amount of them. And if you want to check through the database, we can do that, and we can reach out and help you meet those people in the different countries. That's it from me.